Hi, this is die-sinking EDM S35Z. AC servo is used here. High quality precision component used here. Japanese brand Panasonic servo is used here. High speed jumping is there here, which rapid of 2 meter per minute, which gives faster MRR, material removal rate. Copper to steel as well as graphite to steel is used in these machines. So nowadays the whole machineries, components manufacturing graphite to steel is much advantageous here, and we welcome you all to ENGIMACH show to witness of performance of this machine.